Welcome back.
That was part 7?
I don't know, part something.
I think it was 7.
I think it was something.
Thanks.
I think it might have been 10. You'll never know.
No, it was not 10. I know it was 10. I'm pretty
And
sure it was 7.
10, I'm just like, ooh.
No, there's no way we've been through.
Face.
Whoa. Hey, where did Savannah go?
Elena.
They're right here, baby.
Wait. Hold these.
Why? Get it off. Yeah, I don't think I'll get in the pool after this. It seems to be getting late. I'm starting to get tired. I was going to, but...
Wait, we're not going to get in the pool after this?
We might. I'm not sure. It's
We
just...
better.
Oh, they're gonna light big ones again.
And it's like, and you're like,
No, this is the big one. It's gonna go in the air. All right, ready? I'm gonna follow it. Oh, got it.
F you, camera. Oh God, every time.
Scared you.
I don't know why.
Because you're a fail
I'm
at
watching
life.
too much Amnesia. I'm still gonna watch it tonight. You kidding me?
Watch,
I'm gonna watch
play
the
Slender at night when your room is dark.
Oh,
you have fun with that.
I've done that before. I watched PewDiePie play it. I'm just like, PewDiePie, you scared me. Shut up.
All right, ready? Here we go. Skadoosh.
No,
I thought it was gonna skadoosh.
Fail. Oh. Woo.
I get it every time because I'm awesome.
I hate fighting with snow. The beautiful and I love.
Hey, is that it, or are you just lighting those? I think he's just lighting those, right? I don't think it feels like we haven't done enough.
And I think this one's gonna go in the air.
Yes, these are still the tall ones.
So prettier than red.
Hey, straight behind you.
Whoa!
Was that supposed to happen?
I don't think so.
If that's why you don't set up fireworks.
Well, you stay back, probably.
I'm dead.
Something's gonna happen.
That ended fantastically.
But that was cool. Did you get it?
Yes, I got every bit of it. It looked like
It's like good.
Sorry guys, it's rainy, but we're still doing the 4th of July. 3 minutes in.
Wait, the ground is wet.
Savannah, over here now. Now.
Savannah.
Woo! Skadoosh!
I would be mad if you didn't get any of it. You were lying to me.
I've got every bit of it.
Did they hear the music? I think they do. It's pretty obvious. Be like, you got beautiful music with it. If you don't, well then turn on your own music. Well, don't actually. Don't turn on your
I don't know if they can hear it. I don't think it's loud enough, but whatever.
But I think we're loud enough.
Yeah.
We're
Because
just
we're like...
doop, 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 doop.
I pick your nose all the time.
We're taking a short intermission while they talk and do stuff.
Hey, guess what, guys? Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck.
In pain and terror. And she's in pain and terror. Oh, she's in pain. She has pain. The thing's stuck in her. Just rip it out. Rip it out! I think, wait, hold on, they're about to... Here they go. Here we go, here we go.
What, baby?
We're definitely jumping in. I don't care. I'll throw him. He wins.
Garden! Woo!
Yes, dreidel.
That's a good way to start with a new firework.
Whoa! Oh, that was cool.
I swear.
Dude, those are still hot and they're hitting the ground.
I like that.
They're still hot. Look, you can see them hit the...
It landed on the car.
There's the grand finale.
Shay?
I mean, I guess that's what you want to call it.
Shay, one of those hot ashes landed on your car.
Yay.
I saw it actually like burn it. Kind of fun. Better his than mine.
Wait, this is the last one?
Well, I think he's just putting it on, but I don't. Dad, is this the last one, or is it just called the grand finale?
I think that he said this is it.
It doesn't feel like this is it. Dad, is this the last one? Okay. Well,
Jumping in the pool after this.
grand finale. Here we go, guys. I don't know what it's gonna do, but so far it looks like awesome. Woo! Boo! Every bit.
That's it. That's Big Daddy right there. That.
Oh, there.
Wait, are you sure that's it?
Oh, wait, put it towards me. Bye-bye, guys. No, don't pass me here. We're about to get back in the pool. See you later.
All right, and also Herobrine's relative. So we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Drip face. Probably next Minecraft video.
No.